Find the function f of x from the graph. Here's my graph, and because of the shape, I know that it's going to be a square root family, and so my general function would be f of x equals a times the square root of x minus h plus k. Because my graph begins at -6, 0, I know that h will equal -6 and k will equal 0. So f of x will equal a times the square root of x minus -6 plus 0, or simply f of x equals a times the square root of x plus 6. So next I want to figure out what would my a value be. To do that, I'm going to choose another point on my graph, in this case, -5, 1. So f of -5 should equal 1. Well, let's put -5 into the function we just found. So f of -5 would equal a times the square root of -5 plus 6, and that needs to equal 1. So now what I'm interested in is which a value would make this statement true. So a would times the square root of 1 equals 1, or simply a would equal 1. So now that I know what my h and my k are, as well as my a, I can rewrite my function as f of x equals a, which would be 1, times the square root of x minus -6 plus my k, which is 0. So f of x equals the square root of x plus 6.